quick little video on the job that Brad and I did for customers just outside of Calgary. We did reframed the fireplace, moved it over, raised it up, did all the framing. My brother did all the rock work, I did all the wood. We have a TV here that pulls down. Just grab a hold of it, pull it down. A little bit of an idea, just so it's a little easier for the viewing. This is a real cool mechanism. TV just goes up. And over on this side, we built a cabinet door, and we used reclaimed material for the frame and just plywood. And this is where we keep all the components. Sun's a little bit in the way there. Keep everything in there. Put power in there for them. It's all recessed in the rock. Did this cool mantle slab that we got. Put a little knot on the end there. And we put in a couple hooks, Christmas stockings which can come out. And come around to this side. We mitered the corners so it wraps around. And we patched up the floor to match everything. Put a new border around. Altered the flooring there. And then in here we built a wood box. We kept the shelf live edge. And same thing, we used reclaimed fir from the 1970s. And she tells me she doesn't even want to use it for anything. Put stone down at the bottom.